The Exmark stand-on spreader sprayer raises the bar with innovative lean-to-steer controls which allow one-handed control of machine direction and speed. When combined with the easy-to-use spray and spreader system controls, the machine gives lawn care professionals a distinct productivity advantage. Today, Exmark Product Manager Lloyd Von Scheliha will walk through the spray system features and controls.
Lloyd Von Scheliha with Exmark Manufacturing, Product Manager for the Exmark stand-on Spreader-Sprayer. Today I'm going to talk about the spray system functionality on the new Spreader-Sprayer. In conjunction with the lean-to-steer technology, it gives you all your motion control, left, right, forward, reverse, operation with one hand, frees up the other hand to control your spread and spray operation. Today I'm going to go into a little more detail on the spray function of this machine. I'm going to talk about the basic operations of the spray system on the Exmark Spreader-Sprayer. First thing to point out is your on-off switch. You have an intermittent switch here to turn on your spray system. The spray system will stay on until you turn that off to keep the pump running. It'll also stay on until you turn the machine off, and it'll automatically turn off. Moving from left to right, your pressure regulators here, you're typically going to operate between 30 and 40 psi depending on what nozzle you have in there and what application rate you're looking for. Walking through each of the red levers for the spray system. The first lever here is your agitation system. We have the full flow of the pump going into the tank. You have two inductive nozzles in the tank, one shooting down into the sump and one across. What this allows you to do is use a broader band of chemicals than you've used before. You could use dry flowables, wettable powders, because this machine can get them in suspension and keep them in suspension through the application. Whenever the pump is on, there's flow going into the tank. But if you're ready to mix chemicals and get the full flow of the pump into the tank, that's what the agitation's for. You always have one lever on at a time. The narrow lever is going to be for your trim areas, any areas around planters, anywhere you want to have a little bit more control over your spray width. And the last one is your wide spray. This is going to be mostly what you use. It has an application width of about 9 feet, practical application width. Finally, we have a hand wand. If you do any spot spraying, any weeds, sidewalks, curbs, things like that, you want to do some spot spraying. This has a separate pressure regulator, so it's an on-off, and you can adjust the pressure on the spray wand separately, so you don't have to operate at the same higher pressure as your spray tank. And the hand wand is easily accessible from the operator position. So those are the basics on the spray system for the Exmark Spreader-Sprayer. When it is time to clean out the tank, you have your neutralizer in the tank, cleaning out the chemicals. Your drain is right here, simple ball valve, open that up to drain your tank. If you do need to clean out the strainer, you can access it here, a simple isolation valve. We currently have T-jet spray jets on here. With the quarter turn, drop it out. You can use white, red, brown, blue, whatever you're looking for the application rate you're trying to get. Combined with the lean-to-steer controls of the Exmark Spreader-Sprayer, the spray system gives you optimal performance, keep your customers happy and coming back season after season.